Our Divemaster Internship, great program. You know, we really encourage our dive masters that are going through their training to join in the 1 month Divemaster Internship as a minimum. If you really want to gain some real world experience, our Downbelow Career Development Centres are a great way to do that. We've got the 2 locations on Manukan Island, also on Gaya Island. So one is set within a resort and one is predominantly day trippers. So the candidates can join in the daily activities throughout the 1 month period, dealing with real clients in real world situations, joining in with our entire team. We've got 2 resident course directors, me being a Platinum Course Director. So we're resident in the dive centres pretty much all the time, and at least one of us is always around for consultation and guidance of those candidates. We've got confined water in the swimming pool here at the Manukan Resort. We also got confined open water in the Gaya Island Centre. So, you know, that really gives people a great insight into the both areas or environments, should I say, that we train in. So, you know, people really get a good range of experience. We have our local interns as well, where we're supporting the local community, and those guys come in actually as non-divers, and their training from non-diver to dive master is over actually a 1 year period. So they really interact well with our international interns and forge friendships that are very long lasting, if not lifetime friendships. So it's a really nice way for the internationals to come in and experience Sabahan people. The wonderful friendliness of our team is something we're very well known for, and you know, they can enjoy each other's time, so it's great.